Welcome to another Countryside Adventures video. Just want to share with you real quick a little table that we had picked up off of Amazon to go inside of the RV camper trailer, and it is the Easy Carry camp table, and this is exactly how it showed up in the box, and just has a piece of tape around it basically holding it together, and has everyone's favorite label. Actually, that's two of them, made in China on this, and another one that's made in China over here, so we know where it came from. So let's go ahead and get the tape off of it. We'll unpack it real quick and see what the Easy Carry camp table consists of. So open the bag. Like this is going to be the tabletop. And it looks like the bag has a divider in it. Our table just opens up like so. And you got a couple of holes in these poles. Like so. Has a couple of plastic inserts to just slide over. So. And like so. And but we have a mesh tray to go on the bottom side. It does have storage on the bottom side of the table. Not too bad. Definitely short. We'll grab a tape measure. We'll see how big this thing is. So total height of the table is about 23 inches. About 23 and a quarter wide by about 23. And then the mesh little storage compartment is about 15. About 15. So that is the Easy Carry camp table sold on Amazon. If you have any interest in it, you can check out the link down below. Appreciate you watching, and as always, we'll see you outdoors.